Hi, this is Dan Hamilton with the Hamilton Real Estate Group at Coldwell Banker in Palm Desert, California. It's Monday, June 14th, and this is the Monday Minute, your weekly update on the local Palm Springs real estate market. Well, we've seen some trends that are very consistent recently, so I'm going to run through the numbers quickly for this last week, and then I want to show you some trend charts for what's happening from about March through now, so we can really get a better perspective on what's happening in the market. Our new listings this week were down 3.4% to 344. So, fewer homes are coming on the market in the summer, which is not a big shock. That tends to happen every year during the summer. As a result, our inventory is down 4.2%. There were 679 homes for sale in the Coachella Valley last week. Our new escrow activity was up slightly, 6.8% this week to 221. So we're still seeing strong buyer activity in the market. And closed transactions this week, they were up 11.8% to 322. So we're still seeing a lot of those new escrows coming to close, and most of the transactions are completing these days. Price reductions are down 5.9% to 96 this week. In this market, most sellers are pricing their homes appropriately. The offer price is typically the starting price. So we're not seeing a lot of price reductions in the market these days. Our average sale price was down this week 5.8% to $581,942,000. We see a slight downward trend, but let's look at the trends from last March to get a better perspective of really what's happening as we move into the summer for our market. This is a chart I just created just quickly that shows what's been happening from March of this year to now. And what you can see is the green bars are the number of homes for sale. So our inventory has declined by 19% since March. We're down from 839 in mid-March to 679 today. And then this blue line is the number of new listings. And those are down 21% from March, from 423 down to 344. So as you can see, there is a clear trend with over the last few months of fewer homes coming on the market, and as a result, fewer homes available for sale. At the same time, while buyer activity is still strong, if we look at new escrows from mid-March to now, they're down 23.5%. So that's a substantial drop. And again, I think a lot of that drop is just due to the fact that there are fewer homes on the market and fewer homes available for sale. There is one other factor, though. I think a lot of buyers, because the market has been so hot, they're really hesitant to get into a multiple offer situation. And unless they really have to buy right now, some of the buyers are just holding off and hoping that the market will settle down a little bit before they come back in as active buyers. Finally, let's look at what impact that's had on the average sale price. And interestingly enough, when you look at that same time period, you'll see some fluctuations. But I think a lot of that is just fluctuations in the price points that are selling, because we've had strong activity in the higher price points. But if you look kind of across this line from March till now, we're staying in that high fives to low 600,000 a month as average selling prices. So the market's still very strong, and we're going to keep an eye on this going forward. But I want to just pull out and show you some of the broader trends to give you a better perspective of where we are on the market. We'll keep watching things week by week, and keep coming back here every week, so you'll be the first to know as that market starts to shift. So it's still a good time for sellers. If you want to sell, call me, 760-625-7229. It's never been a better time to get top dollar for your home, and we've got some great strategies to help you do that. If you're still looking for a home to buy, our website has a great home search, www.thehamiltonregroup.com. So check that out. And then, of course, we'll post all of the charts in this update online, including the 3 new ones that I just whipped together this morning. You'll find those online at www.themondayminute.com. So thanks for joining me, and come back every week for the Monday Minute.